This is part 2 of me cleaning this house, and today we are going to do the bathroom and the living room. If you missed part 1, please just go back and watch it. It was I was doing the kitchen and it was a very satisfying wash, and today we are doing this other second part. A little background is that this house had been recently renovated and therefore it is a bit dusty, and yeah, we are going to make sure that once we are done it will be sparklingly clean. Who knows the solution for these window frames rusting? Because I have seen this is very common in bathrooms. In bathrooms, at least for the ones that I have seen, you can see the tiles are okay, everything is okay, but the metallic stuff, everything is rusted. So I don't know how to actually clean this or what the antidote could be, because you can see that the rust is even going through the paint.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change.
So these seats were vacuum cleaned, and there's a gentleman right there, you can see him. He's the one who did the work, and he did a good job. So the vacuum cleaning for this case, his rates are a bit friendly as compared to others. If you wish to have him clean for you, then you can comment below and I will give you his number so that you can call him and he will surely sort you out. And then now, because I was not cleaning the seats, they were being vacuumed, I'll go ahead and start on the cleaning of the other parts once these seats are done. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that
you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I've weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Fearless.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and please watch the next one, and God bless you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.